Is another KCRA3 weather impact day. Taking a live look here at the Stockton waterfront through a lot of raindrops on the lens. Let's go to meteorologist Tamara Berg.
I've got the same shot for you, but a different city too. This is a live look right now from Sacramento as we look from the Capitol Dome sky cam there from the Citizen Hotel, and you can see that the drops hitting the camera lens kind of blurring that view there of looking at the Capitol Dome this morning. And of course, there's going to be a wet track all around town as a result. So a wet and a breezy start to the day with mid-50s pretty much mainstream here in the valley. 38 waking up in Lake Tahoe, where some snow showers are just starting to kick into gear. This is a rewind over the past 3 hours, so while you've been sleeping, for my early risers, you've been hearing that rain hit your rooftop for most of you. And some of these bands of rain have been on that moderate to heavy scale, especially working up and down the Interstate 80 corridor, and really along Interstate 80 you don't start to hit the snow until you get to about east of Cisco Grove. And then here along Highway 50, it's all good soaking rainfall coming down Folsom Lake eastward towards Placerville, Cameron Park, Shingle Springs, Diamond Springs neighborhoods. It's coming down pretty good. You're hearing that hit your rooftop. Same part here of East Sacramento and East Sacramento County. The rain's coming down pretty good. We've had some lighter bands of rain here in Stockton and some heavier bands here around Escalon off towards Modesto. We're starting to see some heavier rain pull in. Turlock, you're getting a good soaking right now along with Newman. And then you get into the Sierra and we start to see again that snow line here along Highway 50 is going to be just east of Kybers, where we're just starting to get our first returns there of some light snow. And if you're trying to travel 88, that is the only highway that I've detected that does have chain controls at this point in the morning. But of course, things can change abruptly as more of this heavier rain starts to trek into the Sierra and the cold air mixes in. You get the perfect setup for that better snow to come down, especially once we get closer to daybreak. This is 7:30 framed up. And look at this. The valley does start to see some drying at that point. But keep in mind, that's the time of day that you take the kids to school, you take the dog for a walk before you head to the office. Everything's going to be pretty wet, and the steadier rain is going to be focused there along parts of the higher terrain there of the foothills. Now by lunchtime, we're going to be left with scattered showers as the system kind of pinwheels the moisture around the area. And then once we hit 7 o'clock tonight, while there still will be some mountain snow showers, we're mainly around at above 5,500 feet, the valley starts to see some clearing out. So we could see some areas of patchy fog first thing tomorrow morning. In terms of rainfall amounts, we're looking at anywhere from 3/4 of an inch to an inch. And again, this is also going back to yesterday and the amounts we got yesterday tallying on to what we'll get today. Now this snow forecast is for Monday into Tuesday. We could see a couple of inches accumulated at Echo Summit, up to a foot possible at Ebbets Pass. Valley 7-day forecast. Today is our lone impact day, and we dry out nicely overnight tonight, Teo, and into Tuesday and Wednesday. Then another system will clip us on Thursday.